Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a May favorites, specifically regarding food, because as you know, we've been in quarantine. I have a lot of products that I would like to share with you guys that have been my personal favorite, and I hope they will become your favorite as well. So let's get started. So first off, I want to talk about this pancake brand. It's called Birch Blenders. I found them at Whole Foods. What I love about this brand is the fact that they are gluten-free. Yes, that's been a trend of mine, gluten-free products, but they're gluten-free and you only need water, which is like amazing because most pancake mixes, as you know, you need eggs, sometimes you need milk. Maybe I'm out of that, right? But I always have water. And I will say that the original is much better than the chocolate chip. I think the only reason being is that the chocolate chip does have some protein in it. If you don't like the protein powder kind of taste, which you can kind of taste it in this one, then you might want to stick with the original and just add chocolate chips, which is what I do. But you know, I tried this once and I still have to finish this up. This guy has been a repurchase. This is my third bag. Yes, third bag. I go through this like crazy. What I love about it is that for 2 pancakes it's 130 calories. As I mentioned, it's gluten-free and there's very minimal ingredients. You can pronounce all of them, which is great. And it stores well, so this isn't a pantry item that's gonna, you know, be in your pantry for a long time. You'll always have it. Moving on, I guess falling in line with baking, kind of. That wasn't really baking, that was more like cooking. But anyways, is this Trader Joe's almond flour. I would say that this is definitely one of my favorites. I've used this with my banana bread recipe that I have, and it's just, it's great. As I mentioned in the other video, I don't know if you've seen it, but it has the consistency of a regular flour, so you don't have that grittiness of almonds, and then, you know, obviously you get the benefit of it being gluten-free, which is great. So definitely a great find of mine that I will keep on using. Next off is this granola brand. So it's called All Ingredients from Farmers We Know. So I guess the brand's called Farmers We Know. I should know that, right? It's in my favorites. But anyways, love this brand. I will say that, you know, being a granola eater, I've eaten a lot of different granolas in my life. But aside from the Elizabeth brand, which is a little pricier, it's like $7.99, I came across this one and I love it because it's only like $4, so half the price basically. And what I love to do with this is I love to eat it kind of like Cocoa Pebbles. So put this with milk, maybe had some strawberries on the top. It's really, really great. It is only 110 calories per serving. It's gonna keep you full. Moving on to the next item, kind of random. I actually found this yesterday. They are Italian crackers by the brand Pavesi. I don't know, probably butchering it. But anyways, I found this at Eataly, which is a store in New York. They have 2 branches, 2 locations. Anyways, but I'm sure you can find this in a specialty store or maybe in the specialty section of your grocery store. What I love about this cracker is that it's so crispy. Like, this is what it looks like. This cracker, I was trying to think of like, what does it remind me of? And I don't know if you've ever had, I think it's by Ritz, like Ritz baked chips, I think it's called. That's what it reminded me of. This is just plain, but I feel like this is a lot healthier than the Ritz brand. It's 60 calories per serving, which is pretty good. Moving on to the next item. I do not like salad. Like, I don't know if you've heard of the brand Sweetgreen, but I will only eat their salads. I tried Chopped, don't really like it. I don't know what it is. I just don't like salads. But I want to be healthy because I need to balance out all the pancakes I'm eating, as well as the chocolate chip muffins, the cookies, the banana bread. So now I've been getting on the bandwagon of having salad, and this has been the brand that I've been loving, Organic Girl. It is amazing. What I love about it is that it's already pre-washed. And it does suck that it uses plastic container, but it is a recycled container. They make this container out of water bottles. That's kind of cool, right? But anyways, I like that it's been washed. I can just literally eat it right out of the container, which I finish one of these a night. which is crazy. I literally have 4 of these in my refrigerator right now. Yeah, crazy. And the reason why I'm sharing this is because this is like the best dressing I've ever had in my whole entire life. It is Brianna's home style vinaigrette. So it has a strawberry on it. It does not taste like strawberry. It does have sugar in it. So, I mean, that kind of sucks, but it's not that much sugar. This is my 2nd bottle in this month alone. Yeah, crazy. That's how great it is. Also, it looks really fancy, right? But it's not too expensive. It's like, I think $3.99, $4.99, not bad. It's a vinaigrette. I love vinaigrettes. I used to always have balsamic when I try to force myself to eat salads, but with this, I don't have to force myself to eat salads. So I love having this with this and some salt and pepper, and that's literally all you need. Yeah. So try this out. I'm telling you, you will not regret it. Moving on, this cream cheese is literally amazing. I feel like I've been saying amazing for everything. It is called Tempty whipped cream cheese. I love cream cheese. Have not had it in a while, so I decided to pick this up, and it's kosher if you care. 80 calories for 2 tablespoons. Instead of doing a bagel, what I love to do is, and I've already made it because I wanted to show you guys, put it on a rice cake with some everything but the bagel seasoning. Oh my god, you have not lived if you have not had this combination. And so if I want something like a bagel, something salty but not too filling, I'll go for this. So best for last, Amy's salsa. Now, not only does it have a great name, of course, but it's amazing. I grew up on Tostitos salsa. Literally would eat it out of the jar, eat it out of the jar. So gross, I know. I would eat it out of the jar, I'd have it with chips, you know. But when I tried this, because I've lately been shopping at Whole Foods, just because it's closer to me, I would like to go to Trader Joe's, but it is farther. Anyways, I needed salsa, and so they had a bunch of different salsas, but I decided to go with this one because I've had other products by Amy's and I've always loved it, but I've never tried this. So when I got my hands on this and I tried it for the first time, I only got 1 jar, and that was such a big mistake because I finished that jar in 1 sitting. So now when I go to Whole Foods, I always get 2 jars. In fact, I already have 1 in the fridge that's opened. This is my backup. Like, that's how amazing this is. I'm telling you, like, I don't know if the ingredients taste cleaner. I don't know what it is. And it's only 10 calories per serving. Like, literally, you could have this whole entire freaking jar. Like, yeah. You could have this whole jar and it's 140 calories. So yeah, those are my May favorites. Out of every single May favorite that I've showed with you regarding food, it would definitely be the salsa is my favorite, and then my second favorite is definitely the dressing, Brianna's dressing. So great. So I hope you guys liked my video. You know, try the products for yourself. Let me know what you think. Be sure to like this video and subscribe, and stay tuned for the next video. Bye guys.